What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet. Go ahead and open your Trust Wallet app, and on the home page simply scroll down to look for XRP. You can see XRP right here and tap on it, and by default your XRP on your Trust Wallet is deactivated. And then at the top you can see the XRP network requires a one-time fee of 10 XRP for account activation. So in order to do this, you need to buy 10 XRP to get your XRP activated. When you tap on this, you can see details about it. Now, why this is important is as of December 2024, the required fee for XRP is 1. So you don't need to buy 10 XRP because as of December 2024, you need 1 XRP. Do take note that 1 XRP token activation fee will be locked in your wallet and cannot be spent or transferred. So go ahead on your Trust Wallet. At this point, we're still seeing 10 XRP for account activation. However, the article on the Trust website says we need 1 XRP. The only way to fix this is to go ahead to the Play Store and try to update Trust Wallet. As you can see, we need to make an update and we're going to tap on it. And then we're going to tap on Open. And now you can see the correct figure is finally here. You need to make a one-time fee of 1 XRP for account activation. So if you're seeing 10 XRP, you need to update your Trust Wallet app in order to have the updated information. So go ahead and use the buy option to buy XRP using your credit card or receive it by transferring some XRP from another exchange into your Trust Wallet. And then your Trust Wallet will be activated. So this is how to activate XRP in Trust Wallet.